Hey guys, Bill here at detailking.com. Today we're going to discuss the new Mytee Lite 2 Model 8070 available here at detailking.com. The new 2014 model now features a powerful 3-stage vacuum motor, 120 psi pump, and a 1000-watt inline heating system capable of heating the water up to 210 degrees. The new Mytee Lite 2 comes standard with a 15-foot solution hose, 15-foot vacuum hose, as well as the 4-inch stainless steel upholstery tool. The quick disconnect fitting as well as the cufflink fitting are also standard for a secure attachment to the machine. On the front side of the new Mytee Lite 2 hot water carpet extractor, you'll find your male quick disconnect fitting for connecting your 15-foot solution hose, an easy bucket and faucet fill access on the front for filling up your fresh water tank, also a convenient drain for draining the leftover water from your fresh water tank. At the top of the machine is your quick disconnect cufflink fitting for the 15-foot vacuum hose. On the top of the extractor is your access to the recovery tank fitted with a secured screw-on lid. Here on the back side of the extractor you will find your handle fitted with a deep storage basket as well as convenient hooks for both your power cord and your vacuum hose. On the back side of the recovery tank you will find access to a screw-off lid for disposing of your wastewater. On the lower portion of the machine is your control panel outfitted with 3 waterproof switches, one operating the heater, one operating the pump, and the final one operating the vacuum of the machine. And next to your control panel you will find your 25-foot lighted power cord. This extractor's overall weight is 48 pounds and easily maneuvered with 2 6-inch casters in the rear and 2 2-inch locking casters in the front. As you can see, the new Mytee Lite 2 hot water carpet extractor is the perfect fit for any detailing operation, whether fixed or mobile. For more details, please give us a call or visit us at detailking.com.